Hello, welcome to how to solve these equations for a and b. Square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 10 and square root of ab is equal to 10. We name this equation equation 1 and this equation equation 2. First of all, we take a square of both sides of equation 1. Equation 1 is square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 10. We take a square of both sides of this equation. Square root of a plus square root of b whole square is equal to square root of a square plus square root of b square plus 2 times square root of a times square root of b is equal to square of 10 is 100. Next, this square will be cancelled with this square root and this square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left a plus b plus 2 times square root of a times b a b is equal to 100. Next, a plus b plus 2 times, here we put the value of square root of ab from equation 2, 10. The value of square root of ab is 10 is equal to 100. Next, a plus b plus 2 times 10, 20 is equal to 100, and we move this plus 20 to the right side. A plus b is equal to 100 minus 20, and a plus b is equal to 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. We name this equation equation 3. Next, we take square of both sides of equation 2. The equation 2 is square root of ab is equal to 10. Equation 2 is square root of ab is equal to 10, and we take square of both sides of this equation. This square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left ab is equal to square of 10 is 100, and if we divide both sides of this equation by a, we get b is equal to 100 over a. We name this equation equation 4. Now in equation 3, we put this value of b 100 over a. Equation 3 is a plus b is equal to 80. Equation 3 is a plus, and in place of b we put this value 100 over a. 100 over a is equal to 80, and if we multiply both sides by a, we get a square plus 100 is equal to 80a. Next, we move this 80a to the left side. A square minus 80a plus 100 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and we can solve it by quadratic formula. In this equation, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to negative 80 and c is equal to 100, and according to quadratic formula, a is equal to minus value of b minus 80 plus minus square root of minus 80 square minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 100 divided by 2 times value of a 1. Next, a is equal to minus minus positive 80 plus minus square root of minus 80 square is equal to 6400 minus 4 times 1 times 100 400 divided by 2 times 1 2. Next, a is equal to 80 plus minus square root of 6400 minus 400 6000 divided by 2. Next, 80 plus minus square root of, we can write this 6000 as 400 times 15 divided by 2. Next, a is equal to 80 plus minus square root of 400 is 20 times square root of 15 divided by 2. Now from here 2 one time and 2 40 times 80 2 10 times 20, and a is equal to 40 plus minus 10 times square root of 15. This is the value of a. Now to find the value of b, we put this value of a in equation 3. Equation 3 is a plus b is equal to 80. The equation 3 is a plus b is equal to 80. Now we move this a to the right side. B is equal to 80 minus a. B is equal to 80 minus, and here we put the value of a 40 plus minus 10 times square root of 15. Next, b is equal to 80 minus 40. This plus minus becomes minus plus due to this minus, 10 times square root of 15. Next, b is equal to 80 minus 40, 40 minus plus 10 times square root of 15. So the values of a1 comma b1 are, the value of a1 is 40 plus 10 times square root of 15, and value of b1 is 40 minus 10 times square root of 15, and values of a2 b2 are, value of a1 is 40 minus 10 times square root of 15, value of b2 is 40 plus 10 times square root of 15.